Sabi ko, this is kidnapping committed by the corrupt Marcos administration. Conniving with the ICC, who has now become a tool of political persecution of a Filipino citizen. It has meddled in the politics of the Philippines, and it has resulted in violating the independence of the Philippine nation. It is a slap on each and every face of every Filipino. Why? Because it is a case of Western arrogance, of foreign intervention. Akala ng mga dayuhan na tayo mga bobo. Hindi tayo marunong mag-solve ng ating mga problema. Ano nangyari? Nag-interfere ang ICC, tagulo tayo ngayon. Sabi nila na ang Pilipinas daw, pwede daw ipadala ang ating presidente doon, i-try nila. Why? Because sabi nila sa Philippines, failed state tayo. Which means ang Pilipinas daw walang working government.